It is DEF CON 30, and it has been at least, a hot minute. Like, it's been 2 years.
It's been a little bit, man. It's been just a little bit.
Yeah. Since we had Linecon last time. Now, I haven't really experienced Linecon, but it is, oh goodness, 4 a.m. right now, my time, 1 a.m. Vegas time, and we're standing in the line because that's what normal people do, right?
Yeah, no, absolutely not. Yeah. We're doing this because we want to make sure we get a badge.
And that's the perfectly valid reason. I mean, what happens at Linecon anyway?
So you've got eating, you've got drinking, you've got games, you've got some people sleeping, some people loitering, some people playing loud music, and a lot of people just visiting with folks, which is awesome because it's been a hot minute since we've seen each other.
Yeah, I mean, it has been, 2 years since me and you have seen each other.
Yep, absolutely.
And it's a beautiful thing. Now, the question I have is, what are your plans tonight? I mean, it's 1 a.m. Registration doesn't open at 8. So what are you going to do, the next, 7 hours?
Literally stay here in line. We're going to be playing games, popping some different drinks to go through and do, working on a couple different quests that are going on that are happening at the actual line, which is awesome because people hand you crypto. Oh, and then, we're going to be dealing with some beach balls being thrown at us, too, which is awesome.
Nice. Well, for me, I have a goon badge, so I am most definitely going to bed right now and not standing in line. But I hope you enjoy. Hope you guys get some rest. You should most definitely get a badge because you're not that far from the front of the line. Yeah. But with that, you excited?
Oh, I'm absolutely pumped to be able to see people again, be able to actually experience this just because we freaking can.
I mean, with that, I don't know. Maybe I am. I'm cuddling with Gator, so at this point, maybe I do just stay here. But either way, thanks for joining us for Linecon, and as always, hack on.